ChatGPT in 2025, your AI sidekick for work and life. Discover how it can save you time, boost creativity, and even make money. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It's like having a super smart assistant that can write, research, and explain anything you ask instantly. What can ChatGPT do? It can write blog posts, captions, and product descriptions. It can create lesson plans, answer questions, help with resumes, and brainstorm ideas. Real examples. Small businesses use it to write product descriptions. Students turn chapters into easy study notes. Social media creators generate 30 captions in seconds. Parents create bedtime stories with their child's name. Limitations you should know. It's powerful but not perfect. Sometimes it gives outdated info or makes mistakes, so always double check. You'll get better results with clear instructions. How to get the best answers. Be specific. Instead of saying write a post, say write a 100-word Instagram post about healthy snacks for kids. Give context and ask for improvements. Earning with ChatGPT. Create and sell ebooks, planners, and templates. Offer content writing or social media services. Build and sell chatbots. Create marketing material for businesses. Time to take action. Try ChatGPT today. Start with one task you normally do yourself and see how much faster it gets done. Subscribe for more tools and business tips.